favorite case studies all the time. There's a lot of stories around pizza, Domino's Pizza. You're gonna like this. So they're very much known around their speed of delivery. Even their franchises around the world, they're really smack on this. This is this huge USB. What they've done is they've adapted to technology. So they have voice ordering. Now they're looking into one click. So you actually upload your preference in pizza, your regular order, and it's there. You just press the button on. And then it follows you where you are because you can do that order while you're playing PlayStation. Literally. What has this have, what was it? $2 billion US in annual sales last year, which is more than half of what they do on just regular delivery. I like this because they innovated themselves. I mean, technology is huge and you cannot avoid it, all right? So make it work for you, all right? They're still popular with delivery, but part of it now is digitalized. I mean, I can just picture the guys playing one evening PlayStation. Probably if we apply this in Egypt, it's gonna be, you know, watching a football match, and you're hungry, you press the button, you know, your pre-saved order is there and it's at the door. Yeah? It might not sound like, oh wow, this is an innovation, but guess what? People like it. It actually filled in a gap. Yeah?